nào lâu bùng quá để nó phá chàng rồi để tay mang chàng của chàng quá.
In the morning at 3 o'clock, they came and break down his door.
Can we stop now? I understand enough the question now. But please tell him, explain to him that I enough the question. I can answer now.
Well, wait. I don't think you've asked a question yet, but time is a little short. But can you ask your question?
Okay.
It's good.
Từ lúc chỉ nhà mày ra lại càng có một lại những quyền là ngay là bị bằng lấy đạo sang cái tay lại càng mấy càng free tâm bị bằng lên về đây này càng đủ nam mi cái dù về cái chất tinh ra rồi.
So we came here for let's how we gotta get freedom in Vietnam. So we want to get our own church and like we want to get freedom.
Lên từng có càng đòi lại lên thu bạc lên nạp đây là đo bắt lúc mà riu nên càng Việt Nam bạc lại càng him right như cái nào đây lên này có càng chặt.
I really want to get back all the money that they collect from our church in the Vietnam, like 95 million Vietnam dollars.
Như thu bi lên mắc bi đặt mặt tại đây để mắc bi đừng lên là bàn cái như thu bi này không ta như đó là nào ngay sao thì
they collect everything. They take the tables, pianos, Bibles in the church.
Dah tarak leh le bubi orang này le kok kasih dum này le beri ke juru ke jalan sampai lah dengan orang kayak di bang kuliah.
I have more story, but we have no time, so I just stop right.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I just would add the situation in Ralang Mall's village is emblematic because the people who were arrested in Christmas 2020 were trying to have Christmas, and they were also blamed for being in touch with Ralang No, who is a licensed pastor with a major US-based church, as I understand it. And so these three people, they're on our list, were put in jail for being in touch with him. So this is a very outrageous case, but it is not unusual. Thank you. Tien, I'm sorry, we're going to have to wrap up. I'm getting the message here, but Tien, very quickly.
Very quickly, the solution is this. The communities of 8A people who have been working for us over the past few years, the exact thing happened to them years ago. But they took the time to take the training, they took time to send reports. So they have sent to us, and they have submitted 140 reports over the past 7 years. And they've come to these meetings, this kind of meetings several times. They've been to Bangkok and other places to attend the South Asia conference, and so on and so forth. So it takes time. But right now, things are not happening like that anymore in those 80 communities. Okay, so you can translate it later, but we must end now.
Yes, thank you very much. We have to end this because we have another session in about 7 minutes. If you'd like to take your questions outside, please do so. Sarah says she'll be glad to answer your question. If you'd like to meet her outside, please go outside and Sarah will be glad to meet with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
It's the same thing.
It's homo?
Among.
Okay, rasa